Hey, Dan Fitzpatrick here after a really crappy week in the market. So I got just one thing here, and that is with respect to Twitter. This, despite of just an absolutely fugly tape here in tech, everything was getting crushed. Twitter was actually up 3.5%. Now, why would that be, you ask yourself? Well, that's something that I asked myself too. And what I have concluded, though I'll just say it, it could be totally wrong. And so if what my conclusion is actually does not come to pass, don't give me grief about how I was wrong, because I'm telling you it's a 50-50 shot. But by the way the stock is trading here and some of the tweets that Elon Musk has made lately, I just kind of wonder if over the weekend they might come up with some kind of tender offer for Twitter, which will be fun to see more snowflakes melt, even if the tender offer would not go through. So I think the market's kind of pricing in. We're starting to price in another move higher in this. And so, and I've said it before and I'll say it again, that because this is the floor from where the stock, settled in after it gapped up and ran on news that Musk, had taken a big stake in the company. I still think this is the floor. 45-ish, maybe 44, but most assuredly the floor is 40. So now that's like 20% from where it is now, something like that. So I wouldn't really look at the floor here at 40 as being where I would put my stop, but I would certainly even look to buy this thing now. Just make sure you put, I'd give it a 7 or an 8% stop if you're buying it right now. And I think you're probably going to make money on this trade, which is one of the few that seems to be out there these days. Anyway, that's all I got for you, and I'll see you next time.